Uniaun Europeia se apoia nafatin Timor-Leste e o setor Oi-oin. Foi no encontro o primeiro-ministro Karela Guzmão e a segunda semana embaixador da União Europeia Timor-Leste se apoia nafatin Timor-Leste e a área agricultura, educação, nas áreas sirasrelotan.
Very glad he found time to see me today. We had very productive discussions. We talked about the partnership of the European Union with Timor-Leste. We have supported the country since independence. We are an important development actor. We help in agroforestry. We're providing support to the budget. We help in management of public finances. We help on malnutrition as well, together with the UN system. So we believe the European Union is a very strong partner in supporting the development of Timor-Leste. We also very much aligned, the Prime Minister and myself found out, on the global values of human rights, democracy, and law in international relations. The multilateral order is close to our heart. Timor-Leste has benefited from the United Nations in the past, and we are a strong supporter.
No moça foi um encontro diplomata na Hateten, aprecia a democracia e Timor-Leste, no moça apoia na fata região Timor-Leste basean. Durante o moça, a União Europeia apoia Timor-Leste e o setor sirahanesan, agrícola, saúde, no moça área sirasrelotan. Ader Ximenes Simão Ximenes, GMN.